This is the segment that you have been waiting for. मैं आप लोगों को कब से बता रही थी कि we have a film cast coming on our show today, on our set today, और हम खास डिस्कस करेंगे आज एक मूवी जिसका नाम है कुल्फी और उसकी कास्ट आज हमारे साथ है. One of them happens to be शिरोज सब्जवारी, जो कि actually actor of the कुल्फी film है, and then there's Saida Imtiaz as well, who's the actress of the film as well. But I'd love to tell you about Shiroz as well. Him and I were in school together, and you know I often remember him as someone who was the sweetest. And you know at that time Shiroz Sabzwari wasn't Shiroz Sabzwari. I think he always was, but at that time he was just someone who was with me in school. And I remember एक दफ़ा मेरी गाड़ी नहीं आई थी. I don't even think he remembers. मेरी गाड़ी नहीं आई थी और मैं वेट कर रही थी और मैं अंधेरे में काफी देर बैठी रही. And I noticed कि शिरोज वहीं पे खड़ा हुआ है. And I looked at him and I'm like, why are you waiting? Why are you still here? And he's like, you know, I didn't want to make you uncomfortable, but I noticed आप एक वाहिद लड़की स्कूल में रह गई हैं, तो I thought I'll wait जब तक आप चली ना जाए. Which I thought was so incredibly nice of him, and that is the first time I became friends with him. And it's so nice to see कि you know juniors from school are actually like doing mega senior stuff in the world. And आज हम जिस movie की बात करेंगे, Saida is also with her. I happened to bump into them last night as well at a TV show of a satellite cousin on another channel, which I'm not going to name. So this movie is going to be great. It's a high budget movie और हम इसके बारे में थोड़ा और सुनेंगे from the cast themselves. So let me welcome them to the show. Welcome Shiroz and welcome Saida.
Thank you.
How are you guys?
Doing great.
Great. अब हम जा रहे हैं guys अपने अगले segment की तरफ जिसका नाम है Lights Camera Action. So Saida, tell us. I believe you come from you know a diverse background as well. आप UAE में भी रही हो, आप New York में भी रही हो, and then you know how does that help your career as well?
I think a bit challenging because इस field में तो मेरा कोई भी नहीं था. Like,
अच्छा.
you know, nobody from I'm the first child in my entire in my family जो इस field में आई and then आगे बढ़ी. But I think somehow I was lucky because मैंने जो first film यहाँ पाकिस्तान में जो मुझे offer हुई थी वो कप्तान के नाम से हुई थी और उसके बाद फिर मेरे लिए दरवाजे खुले हैं. तो उसके बाद दूसरी, तीसरी, चौथी and experience शिरोज के साथ काम करने का and overall पूरी टीम के साथ it was a highly पता मज़ा आता है कि अगर एक फिल्म high budget की फिल्म हो ना तो सारी चीज़ें professionally लेकर चलते हैं. तो और सारे के सारे मोमिर राना हो जाए, शेरोज हो जाए, शामिल के साथ मेरे उस तरह से सीन्स नहीं थे. वली, मरियम, सना, हमने बहुत सुकून से काम किया.
How lovely.
जब बजट हाई होते हैं तो एक्टर्स एक्सपेक्टेशन प्रोड्यूसर की कम होती है. जब बजट कम होता है तो प्रोड्यूसर कहता है यार पैसे नहीं है, ये भी करना है, ये भी करना है.
But it took you guys 3 years to shoot this, right, Shiroz?
On and off. If we say कि कितने months of shooting की तो you can say a year.
Yeah.
Because it took us 12 months of shooting.
Achha.
But broken down
into different parts. And I see some beautiful locations, by the way. Tell us about the location as well.
Babu
It's stunning.
The song which Rahat Saab is singing.
Yeah.
It's called Heel. We shot it. We went to Naran Kagan.
Wow.
We were staying there, but we used to leave our hotels by like 3 in the morning. And to go to Babu Satop every day for like 5 days. Because it was a tough shoot.
Of course, I'm sure it was.
Because every day we were like stuck with the weather.
How does it feel, Shiroz? Did you feel conscious about it?
How did it feel or how does it feel?
How does it feel now when you see yourself shirtless on a Babu Satop?
I feel very good, very happy that I was looking fit.
Yes, of course.
But at that time it was very cold.
Acha.
Very cold. It was -6 or -8.
Allah.
Hailstorms.
Oh my God.
And rain.
Oh my God.
Rain. So the shots that you guys are looking at, which are sunny, वो हमें I think चंद मिनट मिलते थे.
Oh God.
अगर सूरज आ गया तो हम वो shot लेते थे. We were ready. We were rehearsing.
Oh God.
And it was fantastic.
I'm sure it was an amazing experience though.
And the choreographer was Pappu Samrat Saab.
Acha.
He was brilliant. He is brilliant. And how he worked with us because he's worked with Shan, Saima ji, Javed Mamu and all that. So how he worked with us, like what are we in front of him?
I love it. So you know what's unusual about the movie is कि ये script कितनी different है.
Yeah.
So it's a thriller and it's a very out of the box
action thriller,
but there's romance in it also.
Comedy.
There's humor in it also. So how do you do that? वो comic timing thriller के बीच में कैसे आती है? It's hard to do, by the way.
It's a 2-hour long film, 2 hour 5 minutes or something, and we watched it day before yesterday together, all of us. We had a little screening and we had fun. We had fun because the humor, the romance, the action, the thrill, everything had its own.
और बाकी लोगों से क्या feedback मिला so far? Like I mean,
my family was there.
Yeah.
My family was there.
They liked it.
Papa loved it.
Yeah.
My dad loved it. Sadaf really liked it. Sadaf की इतनी ज़्यादा expectation नहीं थी, लेकिन जब film खत्म हुई, she's like, she was this.
अच्छा, not bad. चलो, तो वो approval मिल ही गया
हाँ, वो मुझे I always want her approval.
How lovely. Okay, Saida, now, you know, what's your experience been over here, and also with Tamasha show, you worked there as well, right? So, do you feel that it was scripted? Do you feel that, you know, you were selected? How do you feel about the industry in Pakistan? How do you feel working here? Nepotism है यहाँ पे, also do touch up on that.
अच्छा, यहाँ groupings तो definitely I think हर एक field में होती
Yeah.
है.
Groupings बोलते हुए मेरी तरफ क्यों देखी?
नहीं नहीं.
This is it.
Groupings तो होती हैं यहाँ.
Have you ever?
She can't say it otherwise, ना live.
You haven't faced it?
I am the group.
नहीं होती तो है. और दूसरी बात ये कि हम लाहौर based.
तभी हम सवाल पूछ रहे हैं.
हम लाहौर based, you know, मुझे वो है कि अगर कराची आओ, देखो अगर
By the way, लाहौर में ज़्यादा होती है.
Thank you.
लाहौर में ज़्यादा.
Thank you.
I don't have so many I don't have so many friends within the industry जिनके साथ मेरा काम होता है ना, मैं उनके साथ बहुत अच्छे से काम करती हूँ, मजा आता है. And then after that I have I need my own space.
Yeah, of course, of course.
हाँ, like
being a Taurian as well, I'm sure you do that. You do need that.
तो ये चीज़ है. और तमाशा was not at all scripted. Script नहीं थी. बस ये था कि एक घर के अंदर it was savage though. It was very savage. हाँ, मतलब बाहर निकलने के बाद तो मुझे थोड़ा सा break चाहिए था.
I can imagine.
Different experience, I guess.
So, did you think it was scripted?
It was not at all scripted.
It wasn't.
बिल्कुल नहीं.
It wasn't scripted at all. ठीक है. And any projects you want to pursue after this movie?
Yes.
Do you see that? Do you see that happening for you?
अच्छा, dramas I might not. Dramas में शायद नहीं. मुझे लगता कि मेरे लिए एक दिन में 10 scenes या 12 13 scenes थोड़ा सा hectic हो जाएगा. I want to do films.
Oh,
अगर films बनती है, I want to do films. हाँ, चाहे यहाँ हो या किसी और.
I think she's the only actor here in Pakistan, being a female, that she's done 4 films. Like only films and no dramas. So that's good for her.
That's good, yeah. Eventually,
Patience, right?
Yeah, no, of course.
And I learned that from her.
But I
also.
really hope कि movies बनती रहे इसी तरह. You know, ever since I've moved back to Pakistan as well, I've noticed बहुत movies.
Where were you? Where did you go?
I was in UAE, right, for about 16 years. I just moved back 3 years ago. Which is why we haven't seen each other around in a while. Acha, you know, Abshiroz, knowing that, you know, you're an actor and आपने different characters play किए हैं अपनी life में, and so have you know, to a massive extent. इस movie को लेके जब मैं खास देखती हूँ कि themes of love, friendship, sacrifice, trust, happiness, strategy, ये किस तरीके से tragedy और ये चीज़ें किस तरह निकली? First, your perspective and yours, and how does it connect to your character?
Okay, so what your
literature का lesson
your question was about how the whole process of my character. So basically, when I was offered the film, I was playing a game called Watch Dogs. It was about hacking.
Achha.
And I was really like, you know, there is nothing in Pakistan which is about the cool bits of hacking. You know, it's bad.
Cybercrime वगैरह, हाँ.
Cybercrime है, but cyber safety भी है. Cyber safety के लिए भी आपको hacker चाहिए होता है. So there are 2 sides to the coin. And when the film was offered, I had an idea of how I want to do this. How I want to take the role, what I want to wear, the hoodies and all that, make it a little hip.
Of course.
Because
and I like how there is a hip culture in it actually.
There is.
अब trailer में भी नजर आ रहा है.
There is. So we've kept it like that. We've kept it very, how do you call it, Gen Z.
Gen Z, Gen Alpha,
Yeah, so because यही है ना कि if you're using a laptop.
And that is your audience?
No, the audience is anyone who wants to come to the cinema, because I took my family. Sadaf was there, Mama was there.
Yeah.
So there's a lot of difference between Mama and Sadaf. They both loved it. When we were discussing on our ride back home, Mama was saying good things about something else. Sadaf was saying good things about. So I think we've.
But negative feedback भी तो चाहिए होता है. अब मुझे commercial break में negative feedback बताना.
हाँ ठीक है.